Hey boy, why don't you get yourself some grass-fed D? Hey guys, what's up? It's Nathan from the Good View Woodworks channel, and today we have some more resin and wood for you. I have a whole bunch of cut-offs, just a bunch of leftover pieces from a lot of the projects I've been doing, and so I thought maybe we could try to make something out of that. And I just wanted to show you that you guys can make a form or a mold out of pretty much anything. Like right now I got a milk carton and I got a water bottle. I don't know if you can hear that, but can you hear all the crickets in here? It's so loud this morning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the tops off of these two bottles, bottle and the milk carton, and we're gonna fill it with this wood, and then I'm gonna pour the epoxy on. Check it out. Alright, now that we got our form and all of our wood in there, go ahead and mix up some epoxy. Now when you guys are mixing up casting epoxy, you want to use the manufacturer's specs. So with Countertops epoxy, we're going to be mixing 2-to-1 ratio. So 2 parts epoxy, 1 part hardener. And I'll link up a video if you're interested in how the casting epoxy works. I made a slab coffee table using the casting resin. And so there's details in that video on how to mix and pour. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and pour this stuff all up in there. Alright, so just so you know, with the countertop stuff, you're only supposed to pour it an inch thick, so we're kind of just winging it. I would not suggest doing that. You always want to do what the manufacturer says, but I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. I think it may turn out, I don't know. And we're not going to worry about air bubbles at this time either, because we're just going for it, so I think it'll just be all part of the look. Hopefully they turn out, so stay tuned to that. But I do have one little cool trick up my sleeve. I'm going to go ahead and pour one in this water bottle, another one, but it'll be for a later video. You guys are gonna have to check it out later. So for this pour, we're actually gonna add something pretty cool. I have some shimmer multi-green custom painting pearls. I've had these for a really long time, and I figured, why not throw them in there? So who knows what this is gonna look like, but I'm really excited to see. Alright guys, I'll be back with you in the next couple of days after these things are cured and dried, and hopefully we can make something cool out of them. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 days and our blank is nice and hard. Oh! Nice and hard. Whoops! Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and cut this milk jug off of there. Get to making these coasters. Really excited. This is gonna be awesome. Look at that. It's really cool looking. All right, so what my plan is, we're gonna take this block and I'm gonna go ahead and rip it down on the bandsaw. We're gonna cut 3/8 of an inch off at a time. All right, next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and sand these things down and get them prepped for some clear coat. Do that 4 times and you got a whole set. Woo doggy! Now that we got those things squared up, we're gonna go ahead and just take our orbital sander and we're gonna sand it down to 320 grit. Here we go. So after you finish sanding them, they should look like this. And the next step is we're gonna wipe them off to get the dust off. We're gonna wipe them down with isopropyl alcohol, and then we are gonna get ready and put some finish on there. We're gonna use a high gloss clear coat. All right, so I got my Lazy Susan all set up, and the very last step is to rattle can some clear coat on these bad boys. If you didn't hear me because I was shaking my rattle can, you need to rattle can some clear coat on these bad boys. Make sure when you go to paint something, get a Lazy Susan because it makes things so much easier. Let's do it. We're gonna let these things dry, flip them over, and repeat the process. Now it's time to wait for these suckers to dry, boy. Thanks for watching. This was a really awesome, quick little project, and the thing came out pretty sweet. I wasn't really sure what to expect when they came out of the mold, but these coasters came out really cool. So this is just a little project if you had a little free time and some extra material left over, that you can knock it out in just a couple of hours. If you like this video, I'll have videos up like this all the time. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, click the bell to the right of the subscribe button to notify you anytime that I post up a new video. Also, if you like this project, smash that like button. And until next time, thanks for hanging out with us, guys.